Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh. My YouTube channel name Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh. In my YouTube channel about biomedical engineering related all topics will be available like videos and live sessions and post. Okay, so all types of information I'm going to give you all things, and today I bring it for you valuable information topic that is strong and recommend and very powerful topic today I bring it for you. Okay, so that is to build our career and to grow your career, and this topic will changes the life of biomedical engineers. Understand? Right. Let me introduce myself. I am Ganesh, state regional manager. Present, I am taking care all my biomedical engineering equipments, state level in Government of India. So today I am leading hundreds of engineers from junior to senior level on multi designations. I am leading, and before I have experienced in biomedical engineering services, 18 plus years of experiences, real time hospital experiences in different hospitals, organizations, and private and corporate and public and government healthcare sectors. In all organizations, I have crossover from engineering to engineering student to state level project. So multi designations I have crossover. As a designation, I have proved I have worked in several ways, and everything I have crossover here. And today I come back here to provide the valuable information. Okay, that is my background is I have completed the graduations in biomedical engineering from starting stage to and top level categories what I cross over. Because of in our life, education is very, very important, and next professional of job is very important. Understand? See, in our professional life, now why I come back here? See, today after done my duty, from morning to evening, I dedicated my duty and lead the team and whatever things all as per government, as per job protocol, everything strictly I followed and a profession maintained. And today, now I come back here after done my duty. I'm engaging with you from a live session. Okay. After observations, all biomedical engineers and leading, and what are the issues happen and what are the issues required for those purpose I am focusing about the career. Okay, so mostly my intention is I want to increase the capability of biomedical engineers, and I want to increase the biomedical engineer strength. So very strength inside. So here what I'm going to give the instructions, those topic is the strength of the biomedical engineer. Okay, if you help one, if you give anything, then it should be changes the biomedical of engineers. Why I can say today? Because of I have crossover and I have faced it, and today I have passed and achieved many things, and today I'm capable to lead the state level regional manager. This is very, very complicated things. What complicated things I have crossover? Everything I'm going to explain. Okay. So in this live session, I hope, okay, what are the components, electronic components available in medical equipment. Okay, next, which type of components are available and what are the components are there, and troubleshootings of components. Understand, like everything I'm going to show you and explain you, and what are the every component of the pictures. If it is, if you watch the live session, then you can understand. Okay, my intention is every engineer, okay, everyone from junior to senior, everyone should have a skill that is electrical electronic components related. That's why I come here. Okay, right. Come on, be power and be concentrate. What I'm saying, what I'm going to say, please listen to carefully and try to focus. And whatever you are, if you want to give the comment that whatever it is, just before end this session, I will respond all engaging live comments. Okay. First of all, my focus is I want to give the representations of my skills and works and whatever it is. I collected many things and prepared PPTs based on our experiences. Because of see, before I want to show you, I want to explain you. Well, sample purpose I want to show an image, and this is like that, that is like that, I'm going to so explain, then only you can understand. Okay, see this starting stage, I'm giving all informations, and let me go what are the topics I'm going to cover in this live session. Okay, right. For every biomedical engineer, see, from starting junior biomedical engineer to one senior, who will how will become a senior, so what things requirement. Okay, that's why changes the life of the biomedical engineer. Why I'm saying, after watch the live session, definitely will become a, and you will think in that way. Okay, right. Come with me. I will show you today what's my topic. I will show you, and see these all things in a practical life. I'm thinking about this in this type of sessions not available in the society. If you search anywhere about the biomedical services, not available in the society that much level, and that's why through my channel I want to give you very valuable informations. Already I am giving. So daily I am coming live sessions because of so many lives and so many people are engaged with my channel. I am very happy to share with you all. First of all, I would like to say thanks because of 11 lakhs million, 11 lakhs views crossover, and many people are engaged, and till now you were very excellent supported. So that's why today I want to dedicate the my live session. This is mostly citizen who are freshers, who are newly comers biomedical engineers, and who are out branches, and very interested to join in this branch. Okay, and whoever not have a proper knowledge and proper confidence, and proper clarity about the components in medical equipments, what are the there, for those persons purpose I'm going to dedicate this my valuable time. Okay, see, whatever is I'm going to explain very clearly, my voice is clearly, I am very clearly, and my topic also going to be clear. Okay, right. Come on, let's start now. I will show you what I have. Now I'm going to share. See here, this is my topic today. I have chosen this topic because of, see, many engineers I have observed, see, in one medical equipment not working purpose means many reasons are there. Understand? Those are non-technical, technical, and practical, and experience basis, different types of mechanical. So many types of issues will be there in that medical equipment. All types of medical equipments we are going to talk. See, like I have separated category wise. So category wise, I will go to explain, and I will show you all things and what are the components in inside the equipment. And see here, this is my live session today, 25 5 2026 8 p.m. Okay, now my topic is electronic components in medical equipment and biomedical engineering services and troubleshootings. Okay, so this one, technical knowledge and practical solutions, and real hospital experiences, and quality and safety. See, in this live session I want to cover main topic is which type of electronic components in medical equipments available, and next which type of encyclopedia of electronic components related books what are there. So I will share the what I have, which is important and which is necessary to all biomedical engineers. And see, everyone is possible. Okay, everything is possible and everybody can do it. Technical means it's not a it's not a critical thing. Okay, when you follow the all instructions, definitely we can achieve the valuable things, and you can grow your career. Okay, right. See, that's why here, see, change the life of a biomedical engineers because of, see, once upon a time I am also biomedical engineer, so every day I'm thinking and I practice and I implement in my life, and every time I have followed all things, and I have prepared myself, and go through what, and I have a aim, and towards that today I have successful in career in this my life. Okay, so that's why if I share this knowledge, definitely it will be very useful whoever not have that much of talent. And see, technical knowledge is not ending process because of it's like a ocean. Okay, if you learn something, and still many things are need to learn. If you are a senior also, if you're expert also, if you are more experienced person in biomedical also, if you get a 18 years or 20 years, whatever it is, every day new update will come. You have to be engaged with all the upcoming update technologies. Okay, so that's why please carefully what I'm saying, and come here. This is my topic. Okay, in this topic I'm not going to discuss any other topics, only I'm focusing here electronic components. See, in this live session all topics may not cover. Okay, here my intention is what are the electronic components available in medical equipment, and how to check the electronic components by using multimeter, and that is troubleshootings. Okay, in troubleshootings are related to technical and non-technical and mechanical also. All types of troubleshootings are there. Sometimes sometimes needed technical, sometimes needed non-technical, sometimes needed experience basis, sometimes needed mechanicals. So all types of medical equipments we have. So for based on that, what type of problems will come? See here, my focus. One more thing is biomedical engineering services purpose. Okay, if you are working as a biomedical engineer, you have to provide the services to the hospitals and companies. Okay, that is our main aspects. Understand? Next, this is I am going to talk this one only. See here, I am going to show you all things. See, these are the components are there. See, next to every PPTs I have, PPT wise, very clarity, images and attached all things, and which is comfortable to you. Okay, so then you can understand, and see here, I have placed these all types of components here. So everything I'm going to show you. Okay, now see here, this is the main PPTs of my live session. See here, I am try to understand whatever it is. Please listen to carefully and try to engage my live session, and please keep watch now. Okay, if you watch all things, then definitely you will understand, and after watch live session, definitely at the end of the session you will get a more information. In between you may not get a chances, and if you have a doubt, just give me comments in my live session. Okay, let me continue the topic. Okay, right here, see here, what will I will add hospital equipment expert and installation maintenance and troubleshooting and repair and safety, quality and compliances. So these are going to give you all information. This is my thumbnail. Okay, so what I'm going to see, that's why before going to enter into the topic, then you should be clarity about the, say, sir, Ganesh sir is giving this one, so electronic mastering, so mastering in medical equipment, so that statement is very nice. So if you think, okay, if you think in this way, then see, electronic component topic is not a small topic. Okay, it is a huge topic, but I'm going to give the briefly because of I want to give the awareness. Here nothing is there now, everybody, but see here the complete dedication is important. Okay, because of you have to be a separate two homework. If I'm giving the explanation also, if you not practice anything, then you cannot success in this electronic field. That's why it's a very recommend and demand, and this is very less in the society because of these are background level. Many homeworks are there, many hard works are there, many practicals should be implement, and daily if you practice, then only you can get success in biomedical engineering. Okay, so biomedical engineering is not only for theory, not only for practicals, not only for technical, not only for non-technical. So the all types of things covered in this session. Okay, so now come here. Next, here what are the equipments I will show you. Now before that, what are the electronic equipments? See, already I told you in medical equipment completely based electrical and electronic. Okay, electrical and electronic components. What are there and which type of categories I'm going to show you. Okay, please connect with my channel and definitely is very useful. See, if you are a new biomedical, I am focusing on new persons who are coming to the new persons. They may know don't have any that much capabilities. So that's why one positive spirit is very important about the career. Okay, see, if you worked in a biomedical engineering 5 years, 10 years also, if you're not utilizing your skills, no use at all, and no cannot opportunity, you will not get any opportunity through your career. Okay, every day is important, every week is important, every month is important, every moment is very important to improve your career. That's why I come back here. Okay, let's come with me right now. I'm going to PPTs. See, these all types of I brought for you. Now I'm going to show you first of all, which is clarity and one everything. See, now see here. See, actually, in this way, why I come here, because of see every point I'm going to share with you all. Because of see, if I'm saying, then so many newcomers they may not understand my topics. Because of see, when I'm talking, then some people can understand. When I'm showing the images and the topics and like PPTs type, then you can understand, and then you can move your career. Okay, right here. See, these are the medical equipments. Understand? Right. One more I will show you. So these are all things I brought for you, which is very important topics. I'm going to explain all things. Okay, right. Let me go first of all. Equipments. Okay. See, In all types of medical equipments, every medical equipment definitely have electrical and electronic, okay, which is non-critical equipments leave it, that like the even small machine also having electronics. Okay, so what are the electronic and electronic components have? I will show you one by one category wise. Now I'm going to read these points, then you can understand. Okay, right, my dear subscribers, please keep watch my channel and subscribe my channel. In this live session, I'm going to cover what equipments, what medical equipments, and what electronic components available in these services. Okay, now I'm going to show you, then you will be clarity on that. So first of all, see, number 1 point diagnostic equipment, number 2 point patient monitoring equipment, next one life support equipment and surgical equipment and hospital furniture and accessories and laboratory equipment. Next, physiotherapy and rehabilitation equipment and dental equipment, ophthalmic equipment, and these all things are in the available in the hospital premises. Okay, first you have to be clarity. You are a biomedical engineer fresher. Okay, you are a junior. I am focusing my junior only because of junior have to get the impression and have to take a initial step, because of life is very important to improve your career. This is the starting position is very important to all. Okay, so that's why. See here, what is that? Stethoscope, BP, sphygmomanometer, thermometer, ECG machine, and ultrasound, X-ray, and CT scan, MRI. These are the diagnostic equipment. Diagnostic means what? So diagnosis means to find out the issues of the diseases. Okay, what causes is there? So everything root causes will find out diagnostic equipment. And patient monitoring equipment. See here, patient monitor, pulse oximeter, infusion pump, and capnograph, and fetal monitor, and glucometer. So these all only monitoring purpose. Okay, so these are parameters means in our organ, in our human body, so many functions will be happen depend on the organs. Okay, so different types of functions also will be there, so that is the monitoring purpose. Pulse rate and fetal means inside the baby, the inside the baby fetal rate, and glucometer and blood sugar, everything, and capnograph, and these all things monitoring for, see, sample purpose. I'm showing these equipments, but in a diagnostic equipment more than this also available in the hospitals, depend on hospital. Next, life support equipment. See here, ventilator and defibrillator and oxygen concentrator and anesthesia machines and suction unit and nebulizer. So these are the medical equipments available. See, laboratory equipments also. See here, these are the live. And see in these types of equipments I am giving here, but here in the hospitals, see under me, lakhs of equipments available, that is critical and non-critical, major and minor equipments available in the hospitals. Okay, so if you want to be perfect all things, then it takes time, and one by one you have to follow and category wise, then only you can improve your skills. And these are the medical equipments, you check it here, you can see here, and you can find out these are the equipment. So inside what happening, understand, as a biomedical engineer, inside what happened I'm going to show you. Okay, right, now come here, main topic, we come here. So in every medical, see, electronic components in medical equipment, why I took this topic, because of, see, electronic means technically manager means so many engineers are getting fear, because of, see, if you want to become a biomedical engineer, then you have to go through electrical and electronic and technical way, then only you can recognize, and everybody give the value of your designations, understand. So that's why if you want to grow your career, and if you want to be a master in a technical way, then you have to focus these ways. Okay, please see here, what are the components I have placed here. See, everything in a practical way, you find in every equipment inside. So when you touch the equipment, when you open the equipment, then only you can find out these type of components. These are all types of components. So in this also categories of components are there. Okay, so when I'm reading all things, then you can understand the topic. And see, I'm talking very loudly means, then if you listen my voice, definitely you can understand. See, these are topics whenever you alone, and when you are focused on a career, whenever you have a strong aim, sir, I want to become a biomedical engineer, sir. When you will become a biomedical engineer, only complete the college and after getting job and getting salary, that is not a biomedical engineer. Okay, that is only beginning. And see, electronic purpose, I'm giving these all information, this is the beginning stage. Okay, because of every component have a specific functions, specifications, and operations, working principles, everything we have. Okay, so that's why everything, if you go in a systematical way, then definitely everything is possible. Okay, but in this technical field, you have to go in proper discipline and daily basis. You have to take one topic, and then you have to be perfect, and you have to be implement also. Then only you can understand. Okay, next, if more engages will come, then I will bring it real components here, and I will show you and explain you. And coming days, I have a plan and proper structure also. Okay, now I'm going to start the live sessions, everything. Just please engage my channel, and whatever you have expecting, what you are expecting from your life, because of, see, choose the biomedical engineering means that is excellent, but in which way you are taking inspirative, because of you have to take followers also, because of your senior will be there, then you can follow the instructions. So that's why that type of seniors are lack of very less opportunity in the society. That's why I want to come here. Okay, I come to the point. Electronic components in medical equipment, biomedical engineering services. So only focus on electronics. See, what are the components? See here, I'm going to show you these all things. See what these all things I brought for you. Basically, if you search in anywhere in internet also, but many types of components are there, but you cannot clarify about your informations about the medical equipment. That's why specific peculiar way what equipment, because of, see, as a regular basis we provide the services. So what component will inside the equipment, so which type of, so I have collected, so I have listed. Okay, listed and separated. Next ppt is prepared, and that information I'm going to share with you. Okay, right. Please listen to carefully and be patient and focus on it. What I'm saying, what I'm reading, why I am spending this much time in the live session, and you can understand. Okay, right. See here. In this also category wise, see, category wise equipments will be there, and like categories wise components also will be there. Okay. Now, which type of components? I'm going to say total 8 types of components. Okay. Now, in electronic components in medical equipment means all types of medical equipment, ICU equipments, OT equipments, laboratory equipment, dental equipment, rehabilitation equipment, all types of medical equipments which are available in the hospital. I'm going to talk about all medical equipments. Okay. So here, see, first point is number 1 point, power supply components. Okay, now we will go to discuss electronic component. What are there? Power supply related. Okay, because of, see, medical equipment related to what? Electrical and electronic basis medical equipment manufacture. Yes, you have to keep simple method. Okay, don't get panic and don't get worry, and don't get any different way. Sir, I'm not possible, sir, it's very hard. Yeah, remove your mind from first of all. Okay, before listening this topic. Next, see here. Number 1 point is power supply component. See, first of all, I'm going to read what are the types of categories components available. Okay. Number 1 point is power supply component. See, I'm going to show you. This one is, see, this is the power supply component. Okay. Next, control and processing component. See, next, third one, display and user interface components. And next, 4 sensor components. Fifth one, communication components. And sixth one, motor and motion components. Next, seventh one, PCB and circuit components. Eighth one, safety components. Okay. Next one is medical equipment using these components. See, in these all components, in this medical equipments mostly using. If you open any medical equipment, you can find out these type of components available. So by imagination, you cannot get it when you touch the equipment, when you open the equipment. But before opening the equipment also, you should have a confident level. Otherwise, many engineers escaping from there. I don't know, sir, that one. So I am a junior. How can I learn, sir? So please forward that call to senior, sir. So if you say like that, if you are expecting, if you are escaping in this way, then you cannot improve your skills. Okay. So that's why if you don't know, accept it yourself, sir. I don't know, sir. I'm a junior, sir. I want to learn something, sir. Please give me guidance, sir. I will try to follow your instructions, sir. Then every day, see, single every like this explanation you may not get in a practical way. Okay, in hospital, because of in hospital, practical way, only focus to provide the services and to resolve the issues, and as soon as possible try to make in working condition equipment, because of patient is waiting for the equipment. That's the reason. Okay, but now in this live session, what I'm trying, because of, see, focus on yourself. If you are a biomedical engineer means it is a prestigious word, prestigious life when you follow all things. Okay, right. So these all things I have given the information. What are the categories of the components? Okay, first you have to, if you see the component, then you have to decide, okay, this is power supply related. So power supply related means what should be clarity, because of that power connections, everything is fine or not, every component good or bad. And see, if component good or bad, how to check, I will show you another PPT. Okay, please keep engage my live session. Now here, what are the supply components? See, power supply components are, what are the, see here. See, my focus is, if you are a new person, see, if you are a newcomer biomedical engineer, then you are fear to touch the electronic components. Sir, when if I touch the machine, if I touch the component, it will be blast. So many thinking like that. But as a biomedical engineer, you should be very careful, you should be confident, basically, because of if you are biomedical qualified person, you should not fear. Understand? If you fear, then other person will think about you, he's a biomedical engineer, but he's uh, too much fear to touch the mission. So nobody give the value. Okay, and nobody give the value, and that is not proper way also. So that's why try to come overcome from there. My session is motivation also. I am with you, and definitely I will support you. Okay, right, come here. Power supply components are there. See, power supply components means, see, these in this image I am going to very large, then you can understand what are the power supply components are there inside the. See, these components in different ways. So some, but you have to find out the which power supply component, where is that. This is transformer. See here, this is transformer, and SMPS, switch mode power supply, and rectifier, and voltage regulator IC, and fuse, and battery, UPS system, and capacitors, and inductors. Okay, so these are the power supply components in any medical equipment, ICU equipments, anything you can find out in these components. Okay, see, UPS is another topic. UPS is unlimited power supply means when connect the medical equipment, then it will be used, because of suddenly power gone, it will be protect the equipment. Okay, right. See, I hope you got it. Please listen and take a point, because of this type of information not available in the society. So well, very less opportunity. That's why please utilize my channel, and please try to engage it here. Okay, right. Next is, these are the power supply components, and listen. Next, here what, control and processing components. See, this is a, see, microcontroller and microprocessor and embedded board and PLC module and EEP ROM memory and crystal oscillator and logic ICs. See, these all things components already you studied in diploma, special diploma in electronics and biomedical engineer. There, EDC will come, electronic components and devices. One subject will be there, and electrical subject will be. That's why if you study time, focus on education, because of what you studied in college time. Every point is very important in work location. That's why, see, in location, these all definitions nobody give you. Okay, practical way, and nobody spoon feed of you. Well, just you have to be interested. Okay, these are the components in where available. I will show you. Okay, nothing to worry. I'm going to explain each and one, and I want to give the very valuable information through my live session. Okay, these are the control processing. See, these are components how fixed in the PCB board inside the machine. I'm showing you. Okay, let me finish this one. What are the components, categories of components? See here. See, awareness purpose I am showing you, because of, see, I cannot bring that medical equipment, because of equipment should be available in the hospital. So first priority is our patient safety is important. So should not disturb our services. Understand? Right. So that's my intention, and that is the standards of the services. Next, come here. The third one is display and user interface components. See here, LCD, liquid crystal display. This is the display, because of, see, in every monitor, any medical equipment, display will be there. So for that purpose, this type of access components will use. And see, LED indicators, and LED means light emitting diode. Okay, this is a diode. It works like a switch. Okay, like a bulb. It indicates the importance, alarms, and everything. Whatever condition of the equipment is, it will be used. Okay. Next, power supply coming or not, battery backup coming or not, everything indication purpose using. See, everything functions I will share with you next video. But in this only, what are the components available and how to check the equipment if equipment is getting down. Okay. So how to be perfect, and touch screen see here like this, and membrane keypad. This membrane keypad means where available analyzers mission like this type of keypads are available. Next, push buttons is where available. So many types of first maximum CMs, X-ray, and we find like autoclaves and many things are available. Okay, why I'm showing these pictures of the electronic components, because of if you see this one, then if you go to the any hospitals, then if anything find out problem, then you have to find out, oh, this is the switch. Okay, you have to find out. Okay, and rotary switch and alarm buzzer and HMI panel. These are the display and user interface components. I hope you got it. Okay, right. So these are the electronic components in medical equipment. Next, fourth one. See here, I am going to show you. This is very very important topic. Okay, don't be ignore and don't neglect, because of this is very very important. Like in this way, nobody here in the available. If you search in YouTube also, this type of channel not available in the society. So I want to make a good platform about the biomedical engineering. That's why I come back here. Okay, let me continue. Fourth point: sensor components. See, sensor components, see here, every medical equipment have a specific sensors, because of, see, as a human being, see, PSC, physiological system engineering, the biomedical engineering is which related equipments and human. Okay, human. So then in between our body sensors, then it will connect the all parameters and everything, electronics. Okay, so that in between that one sensor is available. What type of sensors? All types of equipments in different types of sensors are there. Okay, if you find in front of the mission, if you go to the any medical equipment, for example patient monitor, for example any medical equipment, ventilator, ECG, defibrillator. Okay, any equipment that's there, sensor will be there. Okay, right. First, see here, first of all, temperature sensor, because of we have proper temperature in our body, yes or no? Yes. Next, pressure sensor. Okay, next, flow sensor, next oxygen sensor, next SpO2 sensor, and ECG electrodes, and proximity sensor, and humidity sensor, infrared sensor. See why I'm showing you, because of, see, this type of information also many engineers not have and not tried also. So that's why 100% services sometimes not possible to provide in the hospital sectors. That is the reason. See, these are all things why I'm saying, if biomedical engineering service, if you provide very excellent, then cost and efficiency and everything going to reduce by the biomedical engineer. Then only treat hospital treat you. Yes, we have selected well and good talented skilled engineer in my hospital. Then they will be proud. Okay, so everything based on business. So these are the sensor components. See, if you go practical way, then you may not find out in this type of, but yeah, because of, see, different manufacturing companies are there, understand? So their sensor will be there, but the different type sensor, then you have to find out. That's why if you get a proper information these things, then definitely will get a basic knowledge of electronic components. Okay, right. This is my intention to show you. Okay, next, communication component. See here, Wi-Fi module and Bluetooth module and Ethernet port and USB port and serial communication IC and RS-232 module and RS-485 module. See, these all topics already you have covered in college life. Understand? This is biomedical BMSP, biomedical signal processing imaging process system. There, and micro embedded system. Okay, these all topics come in our theory. Okay, in college time. But that time only we focused only for marks. So we have to attend the exam and then get it passed. That is our target. But when come to the job time, money is very important. Job is very important. We focus on that only. But if you focus on real practical way or what is needed, then you can grow your career. Okay, then you will get a good future opportunities, and you can do faster grow your life. That's why I'm saying main catch up things you have to catch it. Okay. As a senior today, I reached the regional manager. Why? How it's possible to me? Because of I have studied in this way all things, and I can guidance. I can give the guidance to the engineers as required, and depend on the condition of the equipment. Okay. That much I have confidence. That's why today I capable to give you these all informations. Okay. Please listen to carefully, biomedical engineers. If you are not a biomedical engineer also, listen, because if you want to interest, okay, if you want to know, these are the basic things I'm showing. And see here, motor and motion components. See here, now I'm showing you. See here, these are the motor and motion components, and DC motor and stepper motor and servo motor and cooling fan and relay and solenoid valve and motor driver IC. See, these all components available, but as usual, you cannot find out these all components. Understand? Because of, if you don't have any opportunity to open the equipment, then how do you check the fan? How do you check the equipment, and how do you find out the equipment? These all things. And these all components manufactured depend on few specifications. High voltage is not supporting. If we provide any high voltage, then that will get damaged. Okay. And this every components I'm going to show you specifications also. Okay. In medical equipment, so which purpose using this component, and which purpose, how much ratings are important, how much specifications are important, I'm going to show you next ppts. Okay, keep watch my live session. It is very information, very valuable information I'm going to show you and explain you. Okay, right. This is the motor and motions. Next one is seventh one. See, in this way, why I come? Because of, see, I am focusing whoever don't know about at least basics also. That is very important to every biomedical engineer. If you completed the 5 years, you don't have any this type of skills, that is very shameful your life. So that's why I want to support you, because of, see, listen, watch, and get the information and try to implement in your day-to-day life. Okay, right. Thank you. Right. Next, seventh point. See, PCB and circuit components. See, PCB means printed circuit board and circuit components. So what are the, see, what I am explaining here when differently from college life and the job life. See, why I'm in this practical way I'm going to explain, means these are the practical ways. Okay, this is not a college way, but we are a educational persons. So in educational way we are learning all things. That's why I come back here to show you and give the live session, and I'm talking in my practical way. Okay, right, come here, see here. I'm going to zoom this picture. PCB and circuit components, and see here, resistors, capacitors and diodes, transistors and MOSFETs, IC chips and auto couplers, connectors and PCB. See, when at least basic point is you have to recognize the component. Then after that, what we have to focus, specifications are there. Because of, see, sometimes engineers are thinking, sir, this equipment, if I touch it, if I wrong connection, then it will be blast. Yes, before you have to see, when you connect the power supply, then you should be careful. And when you keep the multimeter, then voltage and AC and everything you have to check it very properly. If you keep wrong connection, then it will be damage the multimeter also. Okay, sometimes it will get affect also you. Okay, that's why before take any actions, please focus on your all things. Okay, right, friends. Next, these are the components. Seventh point. These are available inside of the equipment. So I will show you next PPT very clearly. And see here, safety components. Safety components here. Just I am showing, just see it. Okay, like this type of, then you can understand. Okay, right. In this live session, I'm going to save all things, because of, see, in future also you can watch my live session in my playlist. Then definitely whenever you free, and few engineers are very excited to listen and join my channel, but may they have work, I can understand. And whenever you are free, then try to engage with my live session, and I will save this live session, everything pin to pin in my playlist available. Okay, right. But daily I will come live session with new topics, which is necessary to all biomedical engineers. My focus is biomedical engineers purpose. Okay, right. Now come here. Eighth point is safety components. So safety components, see here. See, in these all components are, which is very dangerous, which is complicated, I'm going to show you and coming PPTs. Okay, right. Isolation transformer, this one, see. In transformers also, different types of transformer are available in the market, and depend on specifications will apply on the medical equipment. And see here, leakage current production. Because of high voltage equipment if used, then need a high voltage power supply also. Then if anything proper not connected, then it will get damage the equipment. That's the reason to maintain this type of protections. And earthing system. And earthing system, why? Because of equipment is going to getting working condition, that is electrical basis. So if you provide the electrical basis, then earthing is very important. If not have earthing, then patient will get shock, otherwise technician will get shock, otherwise sometimes we have to check the equipment, then we may get the electric shock from that machine. So that's why very important. Okay, so biomedical engineers should be protected, and other persons also should be protected, and everything. If anything damages, then you have to recommend don't use this machine, and then you have to stick out of order like that, keep, and you have to instruct to the hospital. Okay, and many things I'm going to explain now. Focus here. Thermal cutoff. Okay, next circuit breaker, next EMI and EMC filters, and fuse holder. See, for these all components and specific unique functions will be there. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to read and show you. Okay, now everything pin to pen I will explain. And see here, these are the medical equipment sample purpose I am showing here, and these are the all categories of components. Okay, first of all, keep in your mind these all things. See, sir, I want to learn, I want to be a technical specialist, sir, I want to do more equipment, sir. Nobody available in front of us, sir. I am doing very excitement, sir. I am doing very hard work, sir. Every engineers are saying, but they are not focusing main topic. Understand, sir? Main topic is very important. See, if you are in home, then you have to on the switch of the light. Okay, on the switch on the light. Okay, then you are focusing your fan. Then how will happen? Like that, if you are a biomedical engineer, then you have to focus in the right way what you are saying and try to implement. Okay, so many biomedical engineers are here in my team also. They're doing very well. I appreciated their hard work, dedication, everything, but I'm not satisfied their intention, because of, see, some engineers are staying 5 years, but that's why important in our life. Proper guidance person is very important, proper scenery is very important to improve our career. Understand? So as a human being, we are depending on one to one person. See, that's why here in this equipment also, one component to another component is dependable. Okay, so that's why everything what I'm saying very clearly, and it is very helpful to your career. Okay, definitely. If you listen very clearly, definitely, sir, I became a biomedical engineer because you are your channel. Because I don't have hope, sir. Because your channel today, I got the very available information, sir. Thank you so much, sir. That type of feeling will get in your mind. Okay, right. Today, every day I'm coming live sessions 1 hour completed. But already I have settled in my life here. Understand? Already I have settled in biomedical engineering, all over crossover, and now leading position, state level regional manager. Means that is lacks of equipments and critical, non-critical. That much category means that much stage I have crossover. So that's why today possible to me. Why not possible to you? That is my focus. Okay, my very excitement. Every engineer should have a proper knowledge. Okay, right. I hope this all information I have explained very clearly. You got it. Okay. Next, I will go one more topic. See here. Here, what are the things important for biomedical engineers? I am going to say. See, these all points I have framed and I have prepared, because you see, before going to give the presentation, what need to do and what need to give the valuable information. Live session is very important. So something information very important to give you, which is important. Okay, normal information also everything I'm going, because of my channel, my biomedical engineering channel focus on like all types of biomedical engineers. I'm thinking broadly, and that's why today I'm capable to reach this designation. Okay, right. Come here. As a biomedical engineer, I want to interact with you. Now I'm showing you. See here. First of all, I'm going to zoom this. See, if I give this PPTs also, you may not understand. Understand? So as a senior, if everybody wants, sir, I should have proper senior guidance, sir. So many people, sir, everybody interested, but very good qualified engineer, senior engineer not available beside the junior engineers. So that's why I am focusing here. Okay, come here. Biomedical engineer services activities. What are the? So as a biomedical engineer, installation how to do it, and preventive maintenance how to do it, and breakdown maintenance how to do it, and calibration how to do it, and troubleshooting how to do it, and PCB repair. So PCB repair means this is only. Okay. See, these all PCB level engineer. So PCB level engineer means it is very value and it is very high prestigious and getting high salary. Okay, if you repair, if you are capable as a repair technical level, then you will get a paid more than triple, triple. See how many triple coming. That much level you will get the salary when compared to your juniors. Okay. So whoever participated, that person only will get it. Okay. Right. See, these all are money related, and we will get the salary. We will get the different types of payments. If you have a proper skills, you can keep a proper service also. Okay. So that's the demand of this course. Okay, fine. Come here. Next is safety testing and equipment training. And these all things, see, documents and inventory management, these all things, service activities. So already I have provided this, regard this videos. Then you can see next here, troubleshootings. So troubleshooting purpose, I will bring it, these all things. And important practicals purpose also, and soldering and desoldering, multimeter testing, and PCB tracing, and SMPS repair, and reading circuit diagrams, and biomedical safety standards, and preventive maintenance, and hospital equipment handling. See, and yeah, you can understand. See here, see, these all information every topic wise I'm going to give you, nothing to worry. Okay, but here only I took the topic, that is what electronic components in medical equipments I am focusing. See, and for this purpose, one electronic encyclopedia component, encyclopedia means total information technical book also I will attach in my description. Then you can get and you can read, whoever interested. And these all things very long process but very valuable. Okay, right. So see, in this live session, how to learn, how to focus. Okay, somebody thinking, so he did not resolve the technical issue. So many people are the comment giving, and they discourage you and degrade you, and yeah, you are not getting, you are not have a technical knowledge. So that type many things happen. So you have to reduce and you have to focus. If you focus, when you stand in front of that, then they will get fear. Okay, if you follow these all instructions, right? So in this PPT, what I have covered, these are the medical electronic components available in the inside of the equipment. Okay, right. I got it. Yes, I hope you got it. Right. Let me go another slide. And now see here. Now important PPTs I am showing, and which is informative and which is practical way for you people, for making understand purpose. I brought it. Everything, please watch my channel and positive way, and don't disturb here, and try to focus your career. Okay, my intention is, see, when everyone should be keep like that. What, don't try to improve your, okay, don't try to prove your character and to prove your work. Okay, only focus, try to improve your skills. Okay, and improve your career growth. Then everything automatically, if you have any problem, and automatically you will get a solution. Okay, right. See here what I am going to show you. For example, I took a medical equipment, that is patient monitor. Okay. Why I am taking this patient monitor? Because of in hospital everywhere you can find out patient monitor is common thing. If you go ICU, if you go wards, if you go lab not available. Lab and dental there may not available. Mostly ICUs will be available. Okay. So that's why I took example for this one. Okay. Right. But the subscribers, listen to carefully. Till now, what I have explained, what are the components play inside the available in medical equipment. Okay. Now I'm going to show you what are the components available, how to fix in that inside the board. Now we take patient monitor, internal components on PCB. That is main PCB inside patient monitor. See, I am going to show you this one. See, understand? So this is PCB patient inside. See, these all things, many engineers are not daring to touch this type in this equipment. Okay, any medical equipment, because of one type of phobia, one type of fear created in their mind, because of like flow. Some seniors not proved technically, so very less technical people available in the biomedical engineers. That's why I have chosen this information. I hope through my live session, definitely somewhere you will get the more information. That's why, sir, biomedical engineering with a purpose. Ganesh sir giving very nice, sir. Definitely that point will come. Okay, right. And see here, in this live session, what I'm going to cover, sir, already explained means master. You say so. All topics covered, sir. No, this is only what I'm showing and working principle. And if it get damaged, and next step you will be there. Okay, coming words. This is only beginning of the electronic technical way. Okay, right. And see here what I have shown you before PPTs. Every components I shown you. Understand or not? See here. Sir, every components are available. See here. Small minor components. These are fixed like a track record. Okay. That is one program language will be there. That is software basis. Here, see here. These all tracks are there. In every PCB board, one tracks will be there. See. Understand? These are lines here. See. Everywhere. One component to one component internal tracking will be there. See. This is the green color. This is the PCB. PCB upon what components are there. See, you cannot visible also. That much small level. Understand? And see here also I have given label AC input connector and EMI filter and rectifier bridge and power switching IC SMPS. See, here you can find out here for equipment working purpose, these all types of components. You may guess it. In this medical equipment, more than 1,000 components will be there, like small to big. Okay, you can find out. So that much, if you want to be perfect in technical way, more patience is very important, and more interest is very important, and everything is possible. Do hard work and keep in your mind in smartly and try to implement in your work. Okay, then only you will become a technical specialist on medical equipment. Understand? If you have a technical power, then you can repair any medical equipment because of basic things. All components available in all medical equipments depend on functions. It will be placed on different ways. Okay, right. Here, see here filter, and here right. See here. These are the connections, and this see, yeah, here only a board I am showing. Here what will happen, and next PPT I will show you every board and every power supply and every components, how to check it by multimeter. Okay, right. Please engage. Whatever you have doubt, please give me comment. So whatever you please focus. Okay, all information is very important. That's why I'm going to show you very clearly. Okay, right, friends. Please, component category, and see here. Component category: power supply, signal acquisition and processing and control, and display and interface and communication and audio alarm and memory production and connection. See, as see, listen, my dear subscribers, biomedical engineer is the only skilled person only entry. Understand? If you are a new person, you have to become a skilled. Then only you can survive long years. See here, I have survived here 18 plus of years in hospital experience. That is not a small matter because of nowadays 1-2 years completed. So I cannot survive in this field like that because of they are not applying all things, and they are not trying to get all things. And many engineers are not trying to get efforts. Okay, not try to do hard work lots of. Okay, that is the main thing. See here, all components I have shown you. So in this, if you take any, this is the main board. Okay, because of in any medical equipment, main board is the very important, like a motherboard. Like a motherboard in computer, like CPU, central processing unit. Because of based on this board only, functioning will be fine. Okay, then only see here. You can see here. This is medical equipment. See, this is the medical equipment. Okay, so here it is visible. See, these all parameters. How it will come? Because of see electronic components plus software. That's why biomedical engineering field is related to hardware and software. Understand? So both you have to be perfect. If you want to become a specialist, if you want to become a senior position, I'm not talking about your career. See, if you enter in biomedical engineering, then you should be a good success in your life. Otherwise, no value of your life. Okay, because of for do the biomedical engineering purpose, 12 lakhs, 12 to 15 lakhs it will be there in colleges. That much fees are they're taking because of if you study well, definitely you will get a good salary. Within 1 year, that 12 lakhs you will get it. Understand? So that's why who are focusing on career, that much is important. Okay, right? Because of biomedical engineer like a ocean, so everything I'm trying to give you in my experience based way, different videos. So I hope you got this. Here, see, here I'm going to see main functions of PCB: acquire signals from the patient and amplify the filter signals and convert analog signals to digital and process data and calculate parameters. See here, I'm showing, and process data and calculate parameters and display waveforms, values, and alarms and communicate with other modules and ensure patient safety and device reliability. So these are the very, very important. See, single way, single statement we cannot give within moment. Okay. So that's why we cannot give the judgment about the biomedical engineering services because of multiple types of actions, multiple types of situations, multiple types of complaints have to received. Okay. So that's why every challenges has to be approved yourself. Understand? See, I'm saying means, see, 100 out of 90%, sir, not possible, sir. Sir, it's very difficult, sir. Sir, it's very hard, sir. Why do you think in that way, sir? Everything is possible, sir. I will try it, sir. So it's a very good channel, sir. If you think in this way, definitely you can achieve things. Okay. My aim is what because at the end of the day, you should get it and you should achieve it. Otherwise, you don't choose the career. Okay, that's why career. Somebody achievements, somebody not achievers, somebody not growing because of these are the variations. Okay, right? I hope you understand very clearly. And this is what are the components I will see. This is only sample purpose I am showing. I'm taking for sample purpose. See, one day and coming days, if more engages will come in my channel, then I will bring that real practical components and everything I'm going to show. Okay. So more engages needed, and because of see what I'm giving information, what I'm sharing informations, those are all are very important. Okay, because of nowadays, if you have a skilled engineer, also you have to prove yourself. It takes time taken process. So everything documented related, and because of now multiple engineers are created and lakhs of engineers are coming in the society. So that's why which is practical, which is not practical, which is real way we have to diagnose. That's why time taken process. Okay, right. So what I'm trying, please let me do it, and please I need your support. Give me comments and like. Definitely will go to presentation. Very valuable. Okay, right. And see here, I hope I'm talking very clearly. And let me finish. And within half an hour, remaining topics I'm going to cover. And in this topic, what type of components available in medical equipment? What are they? Simple way, because if you understand the concept, it is very easy. You can become a skilled technical engineer. Okay. Other person doing, why not doing? Why not possible? Think yourself and focus on work and get the senior support. Definitely will get a success in your life. Okay, don't try to show one person. Okay, you have to be there 100%. You have to follow your instructions. That much capability you have to improve your career. Okay, right, come here. Here, see here, every component details I'm showing. So see, after done my duty, I come here means I can take rest because of I am well settled in the society. But I'm thinking about the society awareness. Understand? Right. And see here, AC input connector, what happened? Receives AC from main supply. Okay. Next, EMI filter reduces EMI noise from AC mains. And see, every time reading purpose, it getting bored. Okay. So I'm reading means just listen. And if you sleep also, and if you open my channel and open my video and keep your earphone on your ears and just listen, one type of spiritual motivation will come through my voice. Okay, right. And rectifier bridge converts AC to DC, and power switching IC SMPS, and high frequency DC to DC conversion, and transformer. See here, I am going to read all things. I will read also. Okay, I want to listen. And see, regulator 5 voltage to 3.3 voltage, and provides stability and DC output voltages, and filter capacitor smooth and in output DC ripple, and input connectors and connectors patient leads and sensors. Ninth one, production circuits and products against over voltage ESD and surges, And signal amplifier amplifies weak of biomedical signals. Amplifier means increasing, like a low to high impedance. Okay, next 11th, filter circuits remove noise and unwanted frequencies. And ADC, analog to digital, converts an analog signals to display digital. And 13th one, microcontroller MCU processor data controls operations. Number 14, memory IC, flash, and device configurations. See here. Next 15th one, display driver IC drives the display with processed data. Next 16th one, LCD or TFT connector interface to display module. And communication IC and handles data transfer and connectivity. 18th, audio amplifier IC drives the alarm sound output. Next 19, buzzer alarm generates audible alarm. 20, see how many components in this available. See, already I'm saying in this medical equipment more than 1,000 components, little minor components placed inside the equipment. So that much, because of every communication is very very important, because of every component have a specific unique peculiar functions. Okay, so that's why we should not neglect, and we should not be ignore any part of that component. Otherwise, if any one component will get damaged, then equipment not functioning. But that small equipment you have to diagnosis, you have to find out all. That's why if you have experiences, then just check it. This is the damage. You can say who can say, whoever having experience in technical way. Okay, right. And 21, see what dog timer IC resets the system in case of failure. And 22, voltage monitor IC and monitors voltage levels for safety. And 23, test points and debug connector for testing calibrations and servicing. Okay, I hope you got it right. See why I am saying all things, because come here. See this picture. See this picture. Electronic components. See here all things. See here, see, mostly in medical equipment. So, see, that's where most important is in connected to the power supply. UPS should be there. Okay, this medical equipment should be connected to the UPS power supply. You should recommend. Okay, before if you enter into the ICU in a hospital, that equipment UPS connected or not. If it is not available, for example, then you have to instruct to the hospital. Madam, this is a medical equipment. This is electrical electronic basis equipment. This inside components are very specifications, low specifications. That is DC to AC, like converters. The small components will be there. If high voltages come, then what will happen? Then inside components will get damaged. Then equipment will not function. Then you may not have a one valuable equipment to treat the patient. Like you have to explain. They may not understand because of they are not non-technical peoples. So equipment is looking good. Oh no, no, no problem. We are using like that. They will say, but they don't know whatever problems that comes inside the mission. Okay, then we have to show all things and we have to explain all things. Okay, right, as a biomedical engineers, understand, right? Thank you so much whoever engaged and with patience. See these are what I am giving information. This is not a time pass. Okay, this is very very important, and this is like a chargeable topic. Understand, if you go to the training purpose, you have to pay 20 to 30,000 per month. If they are explaining or not, if they are giving information or not, but they are giving like a session, sir, it will time taken. After giving the instruction also, you may know, you may be perfect or not, that is we cannot say, because of this much hard work is very important. And backside biomedical engineer, this much need to keep hard work. And biomedical engineer not only for provide the services. Okay, you have to say, you have to give the service your mind. These are all things you have to keep in your mind. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly. And every way I'm trying to give you in a such a way in your satisfaction. Okay, right. In this like this component, see here. So all components, for example, okay, see here. For example, equipment not working. Okay, first what we have to do? We have to check the power supply. Okay, AC voltage coming, input is coming fine. Okay, so input is coming fine. What 222 240 voltage is required, and it is very mandatory voltage to the medical equipment. Okay, 230 coming from the socket through power cord to the monitor, but still not getting working. Okay, not getting. So then what have to do? then you have to check fuse, and next still not working. Sometimes the switches we have to check, okay, because of sometimes the switches if not working, then not getting on. That is also how to check major minor issues. Understand? And don't bring it like a courier person. You are not a courier person. If anything problem, you have to hand over to the hospital, you have to hand over to the office. That is not a biomedical engineer job. Understand? If anything problem come, then sometimes it needed accessories, okay. So accessories needed means then you have to check it and you have to find out, you have to cross check the equipment from another equipment, because of lots of equipments available in the hospital. Definitely because of lots of patients coming to the hospital to take the treatment. Yes or no? Yes. Yes. Next, he's here. So one by one you have to check it, and this board level purpose, you should be a very patience, very important. Understand? Patience is very important. Okay. Now I'm going to explain means here also you can see, you can watch my live session how much I'm speaking, how much I'm showing. This much required to me. So if I think like that, I cannot come live session. Okay. Just I hope definitely if watch my channel, I will get more information through my channel. Okay. Let me try to go and next topic. Okay. So these are the components. Now we will go another topic. Wait. Components I took it for you because of, see, if we share also understanding purpose as a senior needed. See, first of all, I explained this one. Next thing is specifications. Okay, we will go. And see, this is the very important topic. Please listen to carefully. Whoever engaged, it definitely it is very full. See, in single live session, sir, I will be perfect. No, don't expect. Okay, just get the knowledge and try to keep in your mind. And next, what step need to take? Live session, I'm getting this information. What need to, sir? Please give me advice. Then, for every step purpose, I will be there to support you. Okay, that is my intention. Let me continue. Come here, please. See here, randomly I'm showing you sample purpose, how ratings will be and how specific. Here in this PPTs, I'm going to show you specifications of common electronic components in medical equipment. See, these are all informations not available in normal way. Understand? As a biomedical engineer, repeatedly you have to attend the complaint and you have to engage with services and always try to coordinate with senior. Okay, seniors you have to follow and with by using communications and with polite. Okay, right, come to the point. Now here, specifications of common electronic components in medical equipment. Now we will go. First of all, I will tell you what are the components randomly. I will tell you because of here I'm going to cover total 12 components. Okay, 12 components I'm going to show you like specifications. See here, specifications of common electronic components in medical equipment. In this live session, what I'm saying, what I'm going to cover, what you have to expect, because of for mastering purpose, this is the basic point, this is the beginning life of the component life. Okay, so technical skills is, these are the very important, very interesting, very easy also. Okay, very easy when you apply the concentration and dedicate it, then only you can be success in technical field, otherwise not possible. Okay, right. So I'm trying to give you explanation because of through my live session, everything is possible. I'm showing. Okay, so dear biomedical engineers, keep watch my channel and they like this. If you do, if what I'm saying, if you follow all the on instructions, definitely you will get a very great information, sir. Okay, right. Now I'm going to show you and read. Okay, number one point is transformer and SMPS, switch mode power supply, capacitor, resistor, diode, transistor, MOSFET, microcontroller, LCD or touch display, and sensors and relay, battery, and cooling fan. See, mostly these all components available in medical equipment. So these are very important because of, see, every equipment transfer will be there. SMPS will be there, capacitor will be there, resistor will be there, and diode. These all are basic things. That's why I have chosen this in this way specifications, because of see specifications is very very important, and you cannot justify. Okay, I'm going to show you here. See here, I hope you got it and you can watch here. See here, I'm going to show you very very clearly and zoom you. And transformer, see purpose. So in every medical equipment, transformer. In transformer, different types of transformers are there, but normally transformer what it works. Okay, I'm going to say purpose. Simple way. See all components. So if you search in Google and anything, then you will get a more informations. So that much information, what you will do it? Understand here what why I'm giving these all informations, what I'm sharing, these all are practical informations, and by using this information, then you can do the services and you can operate the equipment and you can repair the electronic level PCB levels. That is only I'm going to show you. Okay, right. Let me continue. Purpose: convert AC voltage level safely. And specifications: the transformer mostly input voltage 110 voltage or 230 voltage AC. This is normal voltages. Okay, mostly you can find out output voltage 5 voltage and 12 voltage and 24 voltage AC to DC. And see here, AC to DC, why I'm saying, because of, and before that I will explain next PPT also, what are active elements, what are the passive elements, also very important. Okay, so active elements what will do and passive equipment elements what will do, what are they, I will show you. Okay, let me finish this one. I think this live session it will take 1 hour, more than half an hour. Okay, because of my live session is 1 hour only, but this topic is a little bit very understand, because of I have to give the information. Then only complete live session it will be fulfilled by based on my topic. Okay, right. Okay. The specification see here. Frequency 50 Hz to 60 Hz. Only here focus. Here main focus is transformer input voltage, output voltage is very very important. Understand? See, sometimes in equipment input we are giving. Okay, current passes through from the socket to the like phase neutral earthing from the through power cord to the equipment. Fine, but output if not giving, then internal components may not active. So then what will happen, that that board will not active, then it will not function, because of medical equipment based on electronic, but electricals not passes properly. Why? Because input is okay, output is not coming, required load, that is 5 voltage and 12 volts, because of see 5 voltage 12 voltage means depend on board only it will be applicable. We cannot give the any letter, because of see 12 volts and 5 volts 24 volts means sometimes like patient monitor, like motors will be there, and NABP pump will be there, and every components this much limited specifications required. Okay, for that purpose we will go through take manual basis and equipment basis. I will go next sessions, live sessions, and many more live sessions I will go to explain. Okay, so my target is more than 1000 sessions I want to complete in this YouTube channel. It is a time taken process. Definitely I will be engaged. I want to maintain consistency in the career of biomedical engineering services, then only many chances to approach many peoples. Okay, my intention is here. Basically I'm not a YouTuber. Okay, I'm a graduated person, so I'm focusing on biomedical engineering services. If anyone come, that then it is very very great to me. Okay, right. Isolation type medical grade, the isolation and power rating 10 voltage to 2 kVA, 2 kVA. Okay. Next, mostly these transformers were used in ventilator, patient monitor, and ECG machine. Okay. When you open this equipment, then only you can find out. See, sometimes what happened in medical equipment, I told you more than 100, 200, 300 components are available inside the placed on the PCB board, which are available inside of the medical equipment. Okay, that time where is the problem, you have to find out each to each. Okay, like by using multimeter, this continuity, like how to check it, it takes 1 hour. If you are doing working properly, sometimes it takes 1 hour, then you have to diagnosis and you have to replace the spare part. That is the technical aspects and technical point view. Okay, so these are all things you have to follow. Simply, sir, I want to know the technical, sir. Simply one day raise the doubt, and second day raise the doubt, third day is you are escaping. Because of see, if you want to learn technical skills, then you have to maintain great consistency, continuous follow up, and continuous hard work. and until resolve the issue, you don't leave from there. Okay, you have to take own responsible to provide the service. If it is not working, then if I give the equipment to the office, then they will do it. Don't think like that. Okay, so then only you can focus. Okay, right. So next point, see, SMPS switched mode power supply. Here, purpose stable DC power supply. See here, this is DC power means, see why here this is with DC power, because of every components are only DC power supply. Okay, capabilities. They have specification low voltages. So that's why it is AC to DC converter. Okay, this is the switch mode power supply, and here we connect the AC power AC, and like phase neutral and earthing, and from there to and remaining boards connecting. Okay, and what need to connected, I will show you with every pictures. And see, main intention is everything I'm going to show you and read it to you and try to make it understand. Okay, understanding or not, that is in your hand, but understand way I'm try to give you. Okay, right. It take a time taken process, everything possible. First one time if you see my session, it is new. Second time you see, third time see, and whenever you free and try to watch my live videos, it is more informative. Because of, see, these are earning process, and many chances to get good salary. If you have these skills, you will get a great opportunity in your career, in work life. Okay, right. See here, DC power supply specifications. Input 90 to 260 voltage AC. Understand? Output 5 voltage, 12 voltage, 24 VDC. This is the maximum common thing. Here in power supply basis, mostly you have to focus specification means input and output is very important. Okay, main efficiency. Okay, 80 to 95%, and ripple voltage, lower ripple, and production overload and circuitry. These are depend on medical equipment. It is overload will be different and varied. Okay, and before connecting this, short circuit should not be done. Okay, one equipment to another equipment should not touch, and it should be insulated. Very careful, because of every component, electrical floatrons and everything follow through the one electron, one component to another component. That is like a track system. Very careful. And when you touch the PCB board, then you should be very careful, and you should be very productive, and you should use the insulation power. Don't touch directly when connected the equipment, when connect the power supply to the equipment. Okay, and don't try also. Okay, right. Mostly these SMPS were used ultrasound defibrillator and infusion pump. Because of, see, ultrasound is, it is a high equipment. Defibrillator also, this is electrical sockets. And so that's why, see, in all medical equipment, different types of powers important, and depend on equipment, depend on specifications will be there. Okay, right. Next, capacitor. See, let me explain all things. See, what I'm going to explain, these all things as a practical experience also needed. Without practical knowledge, even this type of also explanation not possible. Okay, if I share this PPT also, if I tell you, okay, once explain means, then you may not have any idea. Understand? So as a biomedical engineer, every time, step to step, pin to pin, everything is important. So in this live session, I'm going to cover what are the medical components in medical equipment. Okay, so everything what I'm saying, what I'm showing, everything is practical way. Okay, right. See here, and filter. See, capacitor, filter and store electrical energy. See, in these all components, you should know what is explosive, what is non-explosive. Okay, you should be careful. And when you come to the capacitor touching purpose, you should be careful. Okay, you should be very careful. Because of, if you switch off the power supply, it may store the some electrical energy. Okay, so that's why after discharge all things, then only check it, otherwise it will be blast. Okay, capacitors also, different types of capacitors are available. So depend on components. So now here I'm showing what are the components, basic things, so how it is, how look like, and what are the specifications, where it is used. Here, see, mostly used in PCB boards. See, if you check it, any PCB board, in power supply board or main supply board, and communicational board, and any types of board, that these components are common thing. Understand? Because of it is a electrical storage device, so that's why it filter the current also. So that's why it's available. Okay, right. Resistor and purpose control current flow and specifications ohms to mega ohms. Then this resistor, what it controls, it resists the flow of electrons. Understand? So every definition purpose, every function purpose, I will attach the encyclopedia of electronic components book one. I have what I'm using, what I'm practical and successful. So that PDF link I will share in my in this live session description link. Okay, then you can see it and you can download. Okay, these are all things very very important. In this way, one type of guidance is very very important in this society because of education time also. After college, this type of training should be there every by the every organizations, every institutions. It should be done. Then only our technical way we can improve our technology. Understand? Right. I hope you got it. Right. So what I'm giving, what I'm saying, whatever I'm showing you, I'm very clarity about it. No doubt. What I'm saying, I'm showing, explaining. Okay, right. Now here, come here. Diode. So purpose allow one way current flow and specifications, forward voltage 0.3 voltage to 1 voltage, and current rating microamps to ampere, and type rectifier and general LED. So these are the components. Before you have to check it, you have to know the specifications, because of, see, if it is working or not, if it is damaged or not, how do you find out? Tell me. So if you burn out, definitely okay, it is burnout, it is damaged. But looking very nice, but still not getting output. Now how do you find out? Then you should know the specifications. Okay. For example, diode. For example, like the diodes are these types. See here. So different types of that is diode or not. How do you find out? That's why I'm showing all components. Then it is yes, sir. One day I watched the live session, that is Ganesh sir, Biomedical Engineers with Ganesh. Okay, their component is shown like that. Yeah, 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 yeah. So you can imagine yourself. So that purpose, one platform will be there that time. That's why I'm choosing. I want to be a platform, but I'm not stop here. Okay, because of in my life I'm going in my career every day, step to step. I'm increase my career and growth. So what I have passed all things and what I have followed all things, that is only what I have experienced in my oral 18 years experiences, different types of hospital, different positions, different situations I have faced, and I have got success in my life. That's why today I'm capable to give the informations. And every time I want to try to valuable information to give you, because of society is important, awareness is important, life is important, life saving is very important. That's why I'm going to say all things. Okay, I hope you got it very clearly. Let me explain. Okay, right. In this every topic very important. That's why I'm not quitting. Okay, I'm not escape anything, any topic. Whatever I'm going points, everything I'm going to show you. Okay, right. Next, transistor MOSFET and purpose switching and applications and specifications, and voltage rating to 20 voltage to 1000 voltage, and current rating 1A to 100 amperes. Okay. Next, switching speed, high speed. Next, used in motor controller and power supply. See, these are all things available because of you should know it. Because when you see the medical equipment, then it display all parameters coming. Okay, all these are functioning. BP coming as next section, like SPO to saturation coming. For example, patient monitor. Whatever parameters it is possible to see you, because of background work is too much. Because of inside the equipment, every component should be function very clearly. Then only output will result come. Then only we can use the equipment properly, and then only we can give the treatment to the patient. Understand? So these are all things very important. So this is not important, this is important, we cannot say. Everything is important, like a chain system. If chain is there, if in between, if any damage, then what will happen? Chain will not go circle. Understand? Right. See what I'm talking in this way, because of, see, in a practical way, if you have experience, then only we can talk in this way. Okay, otherwise not possible. Today I'm leading this much position, means I am managing multiple types of engineers, freshers, juniors, seniors, biomedical engineers, specialist. Okay, and more expert persons also I have to lead. Understand? And sometimes I am leading more than my seniors also. They are working under me as my employee. Understand? So that much capability we get it. That's why I see, if you are a junior and if you focus on career very clearly in this way in my live session, then you definitely will get a box in your work. Then everybody salute you. Yes, sir. Okay, right. Come here. Next, microcontroller 7 point. Purpose: equipment control and automation, And specification, see here. See what I'm showing you very clearly. This is the, like, see here. These are the chips available in the PCB boards and like controlling process, because of it is programming languages. So programming languages, everything. See nowadays, completely technically updated society. Okay, mostly in our India also, in that way, many hospitals are open. Many countries recommend biomedical engineer, and many engineers go out abroad. Okay, so that is the important of the capability of the engineers. Okay, so that's why focus on it. Okay, right. Here, see operating voltage 3.3 voltage or 5. See, this all I'm going to read means just listen. Okay, and watch. And this see, this purpose of microcontroller means this is microcontroller, not, you have to find it first of all. Understand? So yeah, you have to find out the component, what is that, then only you can find out the issue of that component. Yes or no? Yes. So in this microcontroller, where you will use patient monitor, ventilator, syringe pump. Okay, for sample purpose I'm giving, but many equipments available in this equipment. Okay, right, this is microcontroller. And see here, in this all I'm going to explain in biomedical engineering time, these all things available. If you are doing diploma, special diploma in electronics, all subjects will be available. That's why if you graduated in biomedical engineering, that's why today I'm confident, because of I have completed in all courses, all subject, all qualifications in biomedical engineering only. That's why today I'm very proud to say with you all. Understand? Because of now today I'm here means without recommendation I'm trying to keep efforts my life, and today I'm trying to reach my target. And coming days I have a aim. Definitely I will show you and will prove you, and every explanation I'm going to show you explanation in my live session. And tomorrow I will come in another topic, and definitely every so what I have decided in my mind, everything I have achieved and I have succeed. Today I am here in front of you. I'm talking means I am a successful person in front of you. Okay. See, right, come here. Next point is eighth one. See, these are points what? Specifications and components of the medical equipment. And see here, purpose. See, these are the main topic. Understand? In biomedical engineering, this is the main topic. If you perfect these things, if you go anywhere in the world, any country, any state, these are the common things, and everybody you respect if you are a technical person. Understand? Right. Now see here, display patient data, and here will show. See, simply presentation is showing, okay, monitor is nice looking, and like parameters are coming, but backside of the work, lots of functions, lots of components. So many things are there involved inside the presentation. Okay, that's why one successful person backside many lots of experiences, like ups and downs, failures, success, and criticization. And nobody ready to suggest you also. And other person not doing even small thing, you are doing very good thing, but they cannot find out. Understand? So that is the society. So no need to just leave it, ignore it. Now come to the point right now. Right now, sensor, see here. See, these are I am going to explain means why, because these are the basic things. Everything is important. And see, whoever escaping from the work as a biomedical engineers, like juniors, I'm not scolding anyone. I'm not blame anyone. I'm not point anyone. You don't know this one. I'm not discourage you. I'm not hesitate you, and I'm not doing any insulting you. Okay, just my focus is only, please my dear brothers and sisters and engineers, whoever coming, please focus on this. In this way you will get a good salary, because of that, that is the right way you have to choose your life. Okay, if you're not trying in right way, then how do you expect high level salaries and how high level positions? That is my concept. Okay, right. And see here, come here. Ninth point is sensors: temperature sensor, pressure sensors, SPO2 sensor, and flow sensor. So these all which related our body. Understand? Our body, as per anatomy, all types of organs are there. Based on organs, based on our system, every equipment available in the society in healthcare. That is technically updated, sophisticated, high developed society. Okay. So today we can able to diagnosis, we can give the treatment for our body through the medical equipments. That is the very prestigious and proudful. Okay, salute on it. Yes. Next here, temperature sensor. See here, this type of sensor, like patient monitor, like because of through the sensor we connect to the patient, then in our body how much temperature will come. For that purpose, range see here 0 to 100 degrees Celsius, and accuracy plus or minus 0.11 degrees centigrade. Like this type of see pressure ranges, how much will be there, the how to keep, and you have to keep notes. And every day when you attend the breakdown calls, then you have to choose and you have to write in a one call logbook maintain. Okay, it is your personal and interpersonal thing, and no need to explain. Understand, everybody expecting your result only. If you are skilled, you have to provide the services. That services should be reliability and very quality. Everybody expecting that is only. Okay, that's why I'm saying these all things. Okay, right, you got it. These are the flow sensors. Here very used in where, in ventilator, incubator, and anesthesia machines mostly they are using, and remaining equipments also available. Here shortly precise purpose I'm going to show you, and within less time. And here in this live session, see, it is going to take 2 hours live session. So this much, if you paid also, nobody ready to discuss with you, ready to give the this much informations. Okay, so that's why I'm giving you, please utilize it. I'm not expecting from you, only keep watch my channel, share with your friends, and try to engage. That is enough for me. I'm very happy because of whatever, based on my salaries, everything I'm getting from the government, I'm getting from my qualifications. Okay, right. And relay see, relay purpose, it is a relay see here, electrical switching and specifications, coil voltage 5 voltage to 12 voltage 24. See here, any specifications, input is important, output is important. You have to focus on that every component. Okay, input is this one, but input you are giving, but that component how much capacity have, you have to know. That's the reason, that's the main purpose I'm showing you these specifications. Okay, these are not exact specification, these are the estimation, but depend on your component and equipment, medical equipment, because of different multiple manufacturers are available in the market. So everyone is excellent. Okay, so everyone are excellent, they are providing good medical equipment. So that's why today this much, well, hospitals, industries, and companies are available in our services. And nowadays biomedical engineering purpose many opportunities are there. Yeah, understand, when I'm studying time, only private hospitals, otherwise corporate hospitals will be there. And if you are qualified, then you have to engage with hospitals, then you have to get the job with the reference of the seniors. Now not like that, multiple options are there, and few colleges are available, like campus selections, and few colleges are like, and BMMP projects coming also. So top companies are available in India, then you can get easy job. Okay, nothing to worry. So that's why, before that, because of see, today you have a great opportunities. To catch the opportunity, you follow my live sessions. Definitely it will be useful. Okay, right? Whoever like my channel, definitely please. And whatever you are expecting, whatever you try to give the everything I'm going to explain. Okay, so today I have chosen only for what are the components, medical components in medical equipments. So that's why, see, every day I am taking one content, one topic. So that topic I have to focus, I have to give the clear valuable information about the juniors. I'm covering all types of engineers. Okay, my thinking, my way of going, approaching is my different way. Okay, right, my intention is everyone should be perfect. Next, come here. Next, 12th point, battery backup supply. Okay, next, specifications, voltage 3.7 voltage to 24 voltage, and capacity microamps to either C amperes. Okay, next, type lithium ion, and plus SLA. Lithium why selecting? Because of it is a durable battery, because of it is a quality is good. That's why everywhere lithium battery is very preferable, because of durability will come, reliability come, it and backup also time too much. Okay, here see, backup time 1 to 8 hours. Here given statement, but it which is very effective here, very nice. And like portable monitor infuser, see, mostly this batteries why I'm saying, because of every medical equipment should maintain battery backup. Okay, because of when power gone we don't know, when fluctuations will come we cannot expect. And that's why I'm advising you, keep the equipment to the UPS connections, uninterrupted power supply, very important. Otherwise UPS, otherwise UPS means one type of, that is central line will available, and like UPS also available. You recommend and understand, because of to product the medical equipment is very important. after getting the complaint, if you repair, that is not a matter. Okay, everybody can do it. But before, precautions is very important. While doing your services, while provide the services, at the same time, madam, I am a biomedical engineer, sir, I am a biomedical engineer, sir, I have find all things, this issues you are involved in your hospital, please try to make it rectify, madam, please. And you have to seek guidance also. Okay, yeah, if you resolve the issue, that is a one appreciation. And if you guidance before getting complaint, then they will appreciate you, then they will trust your services. Okay, right. So in practical way, I'm going to explain all things. See, it takes time, 1 hour. It's not a matter for me. Okay, very time is very valuable for me, because of this is my time, personal time. I'm going to spend and going to relax, but I'm going to interact with live sessions, because of I'm expecting from everyone, every engineer should have a basic knowledge on medical components. Okay, that is the reason. And single way you cannot learn, it is time taken. Daily process purpose, give me comment, sir, I'm watching your session and I want to learn these things, sir. So in which way how to follow, sir, please give me one structure, so then I will give you. Okay, right, nothing to worry. Next come here, 12 point, cooling fan and purpose, heat removal and specifications and voltage, 5 voltage or 12 voltage or 24 voltage. Here see, any component you focus only input and output is very important. And here fan RPM is revolution per minute. Understand? So revolution per minute when will depend? Because of depend on equipment, that fan will be increases, that rating will be decreased or increased, that is depend on the requirement. That is because of, see, why it purpose, because of heat removal from the equipment, because of when components are going to generate the heat. So for the heat remove purpose, we have to keep in our medical equipment, that is small fan, major fan, minor fan, whatever it is, depend on specifications, we have to fix on it. Okay, right. Next, these are all things I have explained very clearly. These are the randomly basic information of the specifications of common electronic components in medical equipment. And ultimately, I'm trying what way? See, just I want to interact with all biomedical engineers. Okay, in communicate, we cannot approach each other, because of we everybody engineers working in different states, different hospitals, and we are the biomedical engineers, we are one. Understand, we are one. Because of if you are teamwork, nobody touch you, nobody disappoint you. Okay, that's why teamwork is very important, everything is possible. Understand, I do something, you can do something, but together we can do many things. Just logically think in your mind. Okay, right. Next here see, important medical equipment. Here see, that is going to calibration purpose. Okay, why need to calibration means these all components you have to need to calibration by usually like safety equipments. Okay, those are calibration test equipment is different. I will bring that one day. Okay, but that I will make a live session, what is the calibration equipments, what is the purpose, everything. Okay, right. And here see, main focus is important medical equipment, leakage current. Leakage current, it is very dangerous. For leakage current purpose, machine also sometimes get damaged, and sometimes patient will get affect, sometimes nursing staff will affect, and sometimes whoever available in the premises of the that is not a matter. Understand, electric is one a powerful thing. So that is not thinking about you are a doctor, I don't touch you, and you are an engineer, I don't touch you, you are a qualified, I don't touch you. Not like that. Okay, electrical is, it is flow of electrons, it is not stop anywhere. Understand, we have to stop by using these some electronic components, that is like resistor, like so many things are there. So we have to control and we have to give the required load to the proper functions of the board. Yes or no? Yes. And EMI and EMC, see, electromagnetic compatibility and calibration accurately. Understand, see, for calibration purpose I will give you live session, one more video, then we will focus. Okay, practical biomedical focus is here, component identification and PCB troubleshooting and SMPS repair and sensor testing and power supply analysis and multimeter practical and safety testing and preventive maintenance. See here, I am trying to give you every point, that's why time taking process. Okay, right. See here, I'm saying this through this live session, you can perfect, okay, these are the medical components. Yeah. I come to know, understand, like, okay, these are things available, then a little bit interest will come. Yes, I should practice, because of proper root causes, proper guidance. If you have, definitely everybody ready to engage with technical skills, understand. But technical skills is not only depend on one person. I'm explaining, so if you're not doing properly, that's not my mistake. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, fine. I hope you got it all things. This is the relevant topic of the specific. Next, come with me, engage with me. Let me finish right now. I will go next PPTs. Okay. And now I'm going to explain one by one. And now we will go to the checking passive components and checking active components. Okay. So in this way, simple way you have to think. Okay. You have to simple, okay, fresh mind and keep concentration and try to analyze, try to engage with my live session. Slowly, one to one, focus and listen properly and write it. Whatever important points and like make a summary and then do it fast. Okay, right. Here, see, in this live session, what I given you instruction, my YouTube channel thumbnail is thumbnail what? Master class electronic components in medical equipment. I'm saying yes or no. So that's why these all topics I'm going to cover. Master means so all components, and this is the beginning only. Okay, master in beginning, and when going to process and upcoming days, second session will come. Then I will show you. Okay, right? Come with me. Now here, see here, now we took here one medical equipment, that is passive monitor. Here general checking process. Understand the circuit function and get schematic diagram and visual inspection for burning parts, loose connections, bulging, capacitor, etc. And third point, power of the equipment and discharge stored energy, and check input supply voltages. Next one is check individual components, and sixth one is compare readings with standard values or specifications. See, mostly as a biomedical engineer, so many calls coming, many breakdown coming. Those are non-technical. Also, sometimes we have to need to replace the spares when equipment getting too much damage. Okay, after checking power supply, not getting on. After checking one by one all accessories, but still not getting on. Then you have to open this equipment like this. And as a biomedical engineer, you should be perfect how to assemble the parts and how to disconnect the parts and how to reassemble all connections as it is. Understand? If you want to be perfect, first of all, you have to try one take one medical equipment, then open it, and then before open it, you have to take picture in your personal mobile. Okay, then how before how look like that equipment, then after remove, take one picture. Every removing purpose you have to take picture. Okay, because of you are the new person, you may not have that much basic knowledge, so nothing to worry, just be positive and try to follow all things. Okay, in this way you have to follow instructions in your work area. Okay, right, because of see in work locations I'm giving instructions to my staff. I'm giving, see, if any complaint not working, don't leave anywhere, don't escape from where. Okay, do like this, do like this one check it, this one check it. At the end of the day, sir, I am satisfied, sir, with your instructions. Today I got it, sir. This much equipment, I tried to bring it for to the office for repair purpose, but by your guidance, only I check it and found out the issue, that is only one component issue, sir. Today I can able to find out the issue, sir, because of this live session, sir. So that type of real practice I have faced many times. So that type of also very happiness. That's why I today I bring it for you pupils. Okay, right? I hope you got it very clearly, friends. Yes. And check here. See here. Now come here one point. Now only focus here. Whoever engage, please try to engage. And before end this session, I will engage with your comments. Okay, every comment is very important. Every comment I'm going to give a live session and depend on my free time. Okay, right. Checking passive components and checking active components are very important. Okay, first of all, active components, what are they? See here, sample purpose I'm showing, and remaining components are available. But in this frame of PPTs, only I want to cover few topics. Okay, nice. Here, see, checking passive components, what? Resistor and capacitor, and diode and inductor. Okay, one side I'm showing picture of the components, and one side I'm showing the picture of the multimeter voltages, how it measures. Okay, like see, it is all instructions. It like a friendly senior support guidance. In this way, nobody ready to explain, because of in this competitive society, everybody try to get good salary, but only many less engineers getting good salary because of they are trying in right way, in this way. Okay, right, come to the point. Next, resistor, what happened? Measure resistance across the resistor, compare with rated value. Here see, 10 kilo, here see, ohms. Ohms is the measurement unit of the resistor, and capacitor microfarads. And measure capacitance, compare with rated value, also check for short or open. I'm showing here, see, just picture, find out. These are very very important. And single visit, single, if you watch my live session, you may not get proper information. One, two times, three times, four times, then keep watch what he's saying and grasp it. Definitely, every concentration will come to on my channel, and then you will get a more information. Okay, right. Here diode inductor is see here. What are the measurements, and what is the example purpose I am showing here. And next, checking active components, and see here. Active components, see here. Transistor, NPN. Okay, negative, positive. Okay, negative. These are the components available in diploma time, BTech time. You will get it. When you study time, if you focus on things, then you should be practical, perfect in these components. Okay, that's why if you are college time, what need to be perfect, you should be perfect. Then only you can focus on works, and you can improve your career in job life. Okay, right. Here see, active components, what are they? IC, integrated circuits, and regular IC, and auto coupler. And see here, practical example, patient monitor, power supply boards, how look like. I'm showing you. In this live session, I'm showing only practical patient monitor, because of this is the very friendly mission, and everybody can watch it, and everybody knows very well about the patient monitor. Every biomedical, even engineers also, they know, yes sir, I know patient monitor. Because of that much confident will come. If they are not perfect also, sir, I can do it, sir, patient monitor, because of they know very well. Regular basis, what complaints will come. So they know very well. So because of many times we need to replace the accessories, but then they are not focusing on the electronic components. When that type of issue will come, that junior simply escape from there, and try to escalate to the seniors. But my advice, juniors and biomedical engineer freshers, don't do like this. Okay, just catch it. If you don't have an idea, just catch it. Sir, this is the problem, sir. Next solution what? And try to communicate with senior, whoever experts, whoever your superiors. And sir, this is the problem, sir. I could not find out, sir. So what to do, sir? I want to know. Please show me, sir. And you have to approach the right person, not wrong person. Okay, if you don't know, and if you approach the unknown person also, he cannot explain you. That is the important. Right person, right place, right choose is very important. Okay, right. So practical example purpose, power supply board, how look like? Faulty monitor not getting on means, then what will happen? See here, visual inspection, and check capacitor, and replace capacitor, and check output voltage, and test equipment. See, mostly capacitor is very very important, and you should be careful also. Electrical storage device, at any time it will be damaged, and because of sometimes fluctuations will come. So if anything fluctuations will come, first react capacitor only. Understand? Because of it is a depend on some this is our 470 microfarads to 25 volts, but this is not a exact value. Just for example purpose I'm showing, and depend on equipment it will be vary. I hope you got it very clearly. And check out output voltage. See here, very important. Then PCB level, technical level. If you want to touch the machine, definitely you should maintain proper multimeter, and you should be very clarity how to use the multimeter, and when because of how to keep the voltages and components level. And that is standard multimeter will be there, that is clamp meter is there, and different types of multimeter. Before that you have to know how to operate the multimeter practical way. If you don't know, no problem, just try to learn. Okay, try to learn and get the information from your seniors. It's not a wrong thing. Okay, because of nobody spoon feed up by birth. Okay, we born like a zero, we have to make it a hero before end of the life. That is my concept. Okay, today you don't know, tomorrow you don't know, but at the end of the day you should know it and you should prove it. That is our responsibility. Okay, right. So check out voltage. So voltage you have to check first of all. That's why before touch the mission, before you, if you want to open the mission, then before you have to check the, connect the mission and to the power supply how much voltage coming. You have to check it and you have to note it, and if sometime possible, okay, then you have to take the picture and video because of evidence purpose. Because of that make many things problem create. If resolve the issue, no problem. Understand? Right. Now, useful testing instruments, what see here? These are things where, see, actually, these all things mostly available in workshop. Okay, when office, one technical person will be there. That person, every knows every point they know. Okay, but my intention is every engineer should have their own workshop in your work location. If you're a biomedical engineer, means junior, senior, expert, whatever it is. Okay, that is not a matter. Everyone try to keep valuable contribution on your assigned works, then only our achievement, our performance 100% we can perform at our work locations. Okay, I hope you get all informations through my live channel. Thank you so much. Keep watch my channel and let me continue, and I'm going to end this session and some more I'm going to show you. Okay, right. Now see here, all the tips. Always discharge capacitor before handling. See, I'm saying capacitor is a very, 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 very important. It is my guest person. Okay, don't keep with you. And before touch this capacitor, you have to wait. Understand? And if anything medical equipment not working, okay, then immediately go and direct open and check it. Don't do like that. After, if you want to touch the equipment, if you want to open the equipment, then switch off and remove the power supply. Next, keep 1/2 hour, 30 minutes or whatever it is, that time. Next, you try to open and do the diagnosis of the every components wherever defective components. Understand? See why I'm saying these all things. When you burn the spare part, then you come to know this is the defective. But some components not burning, looking nice, but it is not releasing proper required data, that is input and output as required, that is not giving. Okay, when applying load, that time also not giving. That time you have to find out by use your multimeter and connect the power supply, and then before checking them very clearly, connections are very important. Two terminals are you have to keep in proper way, otherwise it will be short circuit, it will be get damage more than that. So that's why my intention is prevention is better than cure. My live session, it is support to you. Before doing mistake, please watch my channel, engage my live session and try to get more information, and whatever you are expecting through my channel and what you have doubts, just give me comments. I will take it positive way and I will go read all comments and I will give the reply to every questions. Okay, because of see, we have to get the information and we have to understand and we have to do and we have to implement in our life. At the end of the moment, we have to provide the instant services and try to resolve the issues, and ultimately we have to make it working condition, hand out to the hospital. That is within fraction of moments we have to do it all things. So as a biomedical daily we are doing. Okay, right. Use schematic diagram for reference values, and if in doubt compare with your working unit. See, these all things I'm explaining. You can say, sir, everything I watched in a YouTube channel, sir, that is biomedical Ganesh, so I can do it. Don't say that is very required also, but don't be overconfident that will your life, and many damages will be happening in electronics. Mistake, small minor mistake connection, it may get damaged and complete unit will be damaged, then it will be costed lakhs of amount also. That some boards are ventilator boards, some those are 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, like that much, because of that equipment cost is 10 lakhs. Understand? So depend on equipment, that price will be depend. Okay, right. Thank you so much till now, whoever watching my channel and whoever giving comment. Thank you so much for very valuable time to spend with my live channel. Okay, right. Thank you so much. And now I'm going to another PPTs because of see what I have decided to show you. That is definitely I want to show you because of it takes time, 10 minutes, and I'm going to close this one. Okay. Right. So till now, what I have explained, those are things in my as per thumbnail, medical equipment and medical components. See here, I'm showing you how to check electronic components. Actually, technical part is your senior keep your hand like this. Yes, come here. Because of if you follow the instructions from the senior, your senior like come. I will show you, and don't do like this. Do like this. That senior can explain you in this way. Okay, that is in this way I'm going to show you. If you are a zero, that is not a matter for me. Okay, you are a learners, try to focus on this way. And see here how to check the electronic components. So if you want to check the electronic components, any component, multimeter is the basic thing. Okay, here see this live session is minimum 2 hours completed. Okay, let me finish right now. Until result I don't stop my live session. And because of see whoever interested persons definitely should get a more knowledge through my live sessions. Okay, right, thank you. Come on, how to check the electronic components, say this type of doubts. See this type of all information when you apply, when you are doing works, then only you may get doubts. Otherwise you don't have get doubts, and you cannot improve your career, and you cannot get high salary, and other person getting salary too much, but you are not getting too much. Then if you compare persons, you cannot improve yourself. That's why you have to focus your improve your skills. Don't try to prove your remaining things. Okay, right. Come here, how to check electronic components in medical equipment, is it working or not? This is the main things, my dear subscribers, my dear biomedical engineers. This is the very very important. See, in the society we can give the comment, hey, he is not doing, he don't know. We give the statement is very easy, but before give the statement, oh, this is right, this is wrong. This type of guidance is not available in the society. Even seniors also not giving. They are discouraging the junior. You don't know this one. Like they are discouraging their mind and motivation. So that is very dangerous to our healthy life. Okay. So I am your Ganesh, senior biomedical engineering, now leading as a state level regional manager. I am focusing and supporting to all peoples, and please focus on my channel. And now what I am showing you in my display, please focus it. Okay. Right. So in how to check electronic component medical equipment, if not working, okay, is it working or not? First of all, visual inspection number 1 point. See here, visual inspection. Second one, check power supply, DC voltage, and third one is continuity test. Next, component testing examples. Okay, testing you have to check it. If it is okay, if it is not working, these all confirmation by using the multimeter only. Okay, so multimeter is the hero of the technical part. Okay, it is like without this you cannot do the work also. Understand? Because of tools are second priority, but multimeter is the first priority. Understand? Diagnose the issue first of all important. If you don't diagnose the issue, if you go to the doctor cannot find out the disease on your body. Then if you give the treatment, what is the use? That matter. If component, if you don't know the component, what is the condition of the component, then how do you replace the component? After replace also sometimes it may not working. Then what happen? Your diagnosis is wrong. Okay. If it is right means, then you have to check the, this is multimeter. Before check the component, you have to check the multimeter like continuity. Okay, like both terminals are there. Then then you can utilize this is continuity coming. First of all, you have to check it. Okay, right. Come here. Next what? Common testing examples, and fifth one in circuit voltage check. And next one is see here example patient monitor power supply board, how look like and what are the label parts available in that in this one. This is the patient monitor related. And if you take any medical equipment, that is SMPS will be there, and because of it is converted to AC to DC converter purpose, it is will be used, and it is generate the electrical supply of the equipment. Okay, right. See here. Next, signal check with oscilloscope. So this one oscilloscope, where it is available? If you maintain the workshop, understand? So workshop purpose, you have to maintain basic things. Then this oscillations is very important because of This oscillation we almost studied in college, because of in practical way in our laboratory colleges available, but some colleges are not follow the lab, because of after COVID-19 so many colleges are not available as a practical way, and they are not performing also. So that's why lack of skills, because of, see, you are paid too much fees in colleges, but you are not getting and you are not utilizing in a proper way. That's why when you come to the job life, you are not perfect, you may not perfect, you could not able to be perfect, because of you are completely dedicated to that college life, only reading and writing and mug up and be and by heart. This is only okay, this is the question, this is the answer, like this, like well, like that you read and get it and just get it pass. That is not a proper way to learn this subject. Understand? That is the main basic education is very important. See, these all things I'm going to explain means because of after getting 18 years of experience in medical hospital, health services, I have prepared in all six. Then only today I reached there, and today I come back here to give the this much valuable information. I'm talking 2 hours completed. Understand? 2 hours, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 2 hours successfully completed in 1 minute, 1 minute more also. Okay. Now let me finish. Now I'm going to over. And see here, fifth one. Here, this one topic is how to check in medical equipment. Before what I have shown you, because of what are the medical components, how to place on the PCB board, and those are things, basic things. Okay, these are all things you have to know and you have to be perfect. These are things very important. These are the inside secret of success in biomedical engineering. Nobody tell you. Even I am also not tell anyone, because of that is my success. But today, why I come here? Because of this type of social awareness is very important. Because of I have 100 engineers. Definitely, my live session, my useful. This is information. Definitely, it will be useful to whoever listening and whoever watching my channel. Understand? Right. And please give me comments after you watch. After you watch my live session, otherwise, if you engage also, please give me comments, sir. Nice live session, sir. It is very informative, sir. Give me comment, please. Whoever watching, I'm very happy. Okay, I come to the point. Next, fifth one, in circuit voltage. Measure voltage at important points on the PCB, like everything using multimeter only, boss. Okay, and before that you have to keep in multimeter, these are the what the parameters are there and what need to check, what capable to check, all parameters you have to know. These all things you should know it, because of these are the electrical flow, wherever getting electrons. Okay, wherever going you have to find out, otherwise you may get in trouble. Understand? Right? Trouble, and you cannot perform. That's why, yeah, what I'm saying, please focus it and try to engage and try to focus and implement in your life and listen properly and get the information, and you will hear in your life. My intention is one biomedical engineer will come. So biomedical engineers, we are one. We are the biomedical engineers in Indian. Okay, right. Whoever watching other country also, we are the Indian. We are the Indian, or any nationality is not important. We are the biomedical engineering is the one nation. Understand? Focus on career, focus on professional career, and what I'm saying, please focus on this. Okay, right. Example, patient monitor power supply board. Here, see here, this board, AC input and rectified diodes and filter capacitor and IC controller and transformer autocoupler and output voltage and regulator IC. See, in this way, I have covered oral masterclass at electrotechnical field is what, and what is the priority in medical equipment. Why not possible to others? Thing is, you have to try to keep efforts in a possible way and follow, definitely will get a success in your life. Okay, right. Next point is, see real example. See here, swollen capacitor and measure capacitance and after replacement. Sometimes because of it already damaged. Okay, if sometimes looking good, doubt, then you take multimeter and then you have to check the component, how much farads they mention on the component. Then based on that component you have to check by using the multimeter both terminals, positive and negative, and then you have to give one terminal to another terminal. Then it will come how much voltage, that is the 27 microfarads, and should be 470 microfarads, but it is not coming, then it is defective, then you have to fix it. Okay, because of see, if you repair, if you replace, if you do anything services, then for every repair purpose you have to maintain the proper explanation. Because of if you are a technical specialist, you are only technical specialist what they use, you have to give the training to your junior also, then it will grow and your performance will be increased and we can perform more. Understand? Right. All informations I have explained here. I hope you all get very valuable information. I hope. Last result guide and voltage resistance in range working. Okay, out of range, no reading, faulty, and short circuit or burn parts replaced. It is very easy. If it is burnout, you can find out that is not working. You can say. But if it is not burnout, then you cannot find out easily. That's why this is the basic information you have to know and you have to keep in your mind. Okay. That's why every component wise for see for every component wise, I will provide the one PDF that is encyclopedia of electronic components. Purpose nearly three book I have. So I will make it that PDF wise. I will attach in my description. Whoever want to know and try to download and get it informations and try to practice in your daily life. Okay. These are single day not possible, single moment not possible, single night not possible, overnight, day to day. If you do hard work, if you do practical work, and if you communicate with field. Okay. That's why technical engineers are getting paid too much high salary when compared. Right. So that's why when I comparing, that's every engineer should get like that. So that much efforts is very important. Is here. Here, seventh point is component replacement. Replacement faulty component with same ratings. Okay, that's why proper diagnosis is very important for biomedical engineering. Okay, provide the services purpose. Biomedical engineer's main task is what? Diagnose the issues of the medical equipment. That is the major task. That is the basic function of the biomedical engineering. I hope you got all things, friends. Okay, successfully I have covered how to check the electronic components in medical way it is working or not. That is the these are topics I have covered. Okay, next PPT. And see here. Here also how to check electronic components. I am giving you very depth. And here I want to show you what are the tools important. Understand? See here. See here, to do the services purpose and how to do, how to check it, I'm showing here. See, visual inspection, burn marks like this. And first of all, I want to show what tools used because of see electronic purpose, electronic repairing purpose, and what are the things requirement because of without tools, biomedical engineer is not valid. Understand? Because if you assign the work job, if you not provide anything, understand? Then what will happen? This is the thing happen. Okay, right. Next here your tools used means digital multimeter, and next one is oscilloscope and power supply DC and soldering iron and ESD safe tweezers. See these all things where we see multimeter is you have to measurement the and you have to check out and what oscilloscope means that waveforms are coming or not because patient monitors are everything that is you have to check it and power supply. So these all component soldering gun. If it is thing damage, we have to need to replace the component purpose that we have to solder the components. As wire damages anything, if anything damages, then we have to replace and we have to repair. And this one ESD switch tweezers where we use these are the mostly used in for remove the chips. Okay, chips microchips are there inside of the equipment. Those chips we have to interlocking system and for that purpose and component tester transistor diode capacitor purpose that is also one type of multimeter type. Okay, insulation tester and these types of all important to implement our work. Okay, right. So these are the tools important. These are the live session is too much high, but this is all information I covered. See here how to check components. I'm showing giving the pictures and showing multimeter and connection. See here how to check it all by input voltage power check and component check and signal check and functional check. Understand? And resistor check capacity common electronic components how to check. Here I'm showing here. See, understand? So in this way you have to follow the all points. Okay, I hope you got it very well, and thank you so much for engaging me. And now I'm going. It's all completed. I have explained very well. Okay, fine, fine. Okay, come here. Now, before end this session, I'm coming here. Right. 8 to 9 to 10, 2 hours completed. Now I'm going to read comments. Okay. So comments is what? First of all, I'm very excited to learn this topic. Yes, thank you, thank you. Right. See, I'm going to save this live session in my playlist. Whenever you free, again you can watch it. Nothing to worry. Okay, sir, live is completed, so it may not appear. Don't think like that. Every live session, every video, I'm going to save in my playlist. That is, you go to the Chrome, Google, and search Biomedical Engineer with Ganesh. Okay. Otherwise, Ganesh SBME Special Advisor means Senior Biomedical Engineer Special Advisor. Otherwise, Ganesh SBME. Otherwise, Ganesh Biomedical Engineering. If you select it, definitely it will come appear in front of your mobile. Okay. Right. Next one comment is when I see the live image, really feeling great, sir. Yeah, thank you so much. See, this much support is very important for me because of after speaking all things, getting pain mouth, getting pain headache, many things will come. But my intention is, if I fix it in my mind, I should give the information that much capable, that much consistency is important. That's why today I'm capable to lead the success, all things. Okay, right. Now I'm going to reach. See here in this live session, I have covered all topics as per given the title, and I hope you got it. Okay, please keep watch my channel and engage with my channel and share with your friends. And here comments, they say, "Sir, you are big fan." Who is that? Thank you so much. Yeah, sure. Thank you so much for believing me, trust me, and give me comment. In that way, I'm very happy. Yeah, tomorrow also I will give you one more topic when valid information I will share with you. Definitely, my every video is very focusing to necessity to all biomedical engineers and mostly juniors, freshers, and students. Understand? And whoever not able to learn, seniors also. Right here, next one. Something retracted message. I didn't get. Okay, one is happy. Okay, dear sir, today explain about components. Okay, what about briefly about transistor and how it works and what about forward biases and reverse biases? It's very nice. First of all, I give respect to your comment because of see here only I told you friends only what are the medical components in medical equipment because of see whoever coming newcomers they have to know these basics. Okay, and coming I will go each point, every component, every explanation, every functions. I will give a live sessions and everything I'm going to cover. My target is 1000 plus topics, live sessions I want to cover. Definitely, I will give the answer. Okay, right. Next, dear sir, today you explain about some components in X-ray tube, how it works. It explain. Yes, surely. Everything I will give you in a proper plan because of see, I'm also as a human being and daily as a state regional manager, I'm having a lot of experiences and a lot of responsibilities. So top level I'm leading. So this is my private time I'm utilizing, I'm engaging this one. Okay. So okay, based on your comment, I will write in my diary. Okay, this comment today I received. Okay. Next day I will plan. Okay. Right. Next, dear sir, please explain about UPS internal connection circuit and schematic diagram. Sure. I will bring everyone. Like this type of comments I need and more engages is very important. Then only I can dedicate and I can maintain consistency. Because of depend on your requirement, I can be response. Depend on your requirement, I will be there. And if my guidance is very useful, definitely if you are happy, then definitely I will engage and before that every day I'm giving the live session timing and try to engage on that time. Okay, my live session maximum 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock in these times. Today, too much time happened because of this is the basic topic in electronics components. That's why technical field, every topic I'm going to cover. That's why this much time taken. And thank you so much whoever engaged till much. Okay, continuous engagement. That is very happy. Okay, right. And one more. And okay, right. Okay, team. I will provide. I will provide the informations as you required. I will make a schedule for you all. I will make, see here what I'm giving. Okay, team. Whoever subscribe, my team means what? Whoever subscribe my channel, whoever watch my channel, whoever engage my live sessions, and who are working under my team. Those all are my team, our team. We are the biomedical engineers. Right. Now, okay, team. I will provide the informations as you required. I will make a schedule for you live sessions. Okay. Right. See, every time I'm saying when I'm going to start the live session, starting, I will give the I will give the information about the topic, what I'm going to say. Next, I will give the introduction myself because of who I am. You have to know. Background is very important because of that is it is influence your career. Next point is whatever topic is that is very important to your practical life. Okay, thank you so much. And first of all, every video I'm saying thank you so much for engaging and great public support. 11 lakhs views crossover. Salute to all. Okay. Next, I'm very proud to be an Indian biomedical engineering. And in India, many things are developed in our country. So please focus and be updated and technically. We are the biomedical engineers. We have to be focused technical way. Okay, then only we can grow our services. I hope all information successfully as per given the statement of my title, thumbnail, everything it is very useful. Jai Hind. I will come back again new topic. Thank you. I'm going to end this session.